I'm Nancy Laffey from Completely Quilted, and today I'm going to be demonstrating month 5, the Kelp Block from the Atlantis Block of the Month designed by Southwind Designs. If you'd like to participate in our Block of the Month, just contact us at completelyquilted.com or reach us by phone. So I'm just starting my elements for my month 5, my Kelp Block of the Month. And so my first step is to create another one of these units. This is something we've done before by folding a rectangle and having that stitched and then pressed open to create this triangle. So that's the starting block. And now I'm going to place triangles on top of this with my glue stick to create the next unit that's going to be sewn together, and this will be sewn together to create the center of my block. So a little dab of glue holds that in place for these particular pieces, and then these sections are going to get sewn together to create kind of a pinwheel look in the center. Our next elements are going to be these rectangles. Now these rectangles are that same fold to create that same triangle. You just have to be concerned about the placement of your colors. And then we also have a triangle that's been just glued to the corner here. But this is also going to create another unit. So another block here will be placed, oh, let me move these so you can see this better. So these units are going to be sewn together like this. However, they're going to be sewn together with another folded unit here. So I've placed my folded unit, and then I'll put everything right sides together and clip it, and then this will be the sides of my block. Now that this unit is complete, I've taken that flap, folded that, and pressed that. That can be set aside. That's going to be sewn around the block, like this. I'm going to show you the next, which is a completely new technique. You'll have a 2-inch square, and then this is a 3.5-inch square that's been folded in half. So this is going to be my sandwich. It's going to hang out longer, and it's going to be sandwiched in between 2 of my purple squares. So now I'm going to clip this and take the seam, and I'll show you how that will be made 3-dimensional. So this is what my flap looks like here. So when I open this up, it creates an arrow shape, just like that. So I'm going to press this on the back side, and I'll show you how those elements get sewn together for your block. It's that exciting moment where I've got all of my elements sewn together, and it's important to note that the corners create kind of a rotating pinwheel effect. So when you're placing your pieces, you just want to make sure everything's oriented. I'm kind of looking at these coral points, and then how the green touches, and then these triangles make almost like a flying geese type arrow. So I'm going to sew my rows together, and then the center, and then put my sashings on, and I'll be ready to make the curves of this block. Here's my finished block. And, well, it's not quite finished because now I need to make all the curving. And this particular block, all of my 3-dimensional pieces will be curved back and top stitched. So there's none that are going to be just like pinned and done a double. These will be all single folds all the way around to reveal this really cool pinwheel block. It's done. This is month 5, the Kelp Block from the Atlantis Block of the Month. I hope you've enjoyed making this cool block, and stay tuned for next month.